In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer in Wix 2026 guide. If you're building a clean landing page or just want full control over your site's layout, removing the footer can help you keep things focused. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in the Wix Studio Editor so you can do this quickly and confidently. First, open your site in the Wix Studio Editor. Once the editor loads and you can see your page on the canvas, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. That's where the footer lives. You'll usually recognize it as the section that repeats across pages and often contains details like copyright text, social icons, or navigation links. When your cursor hovers over it, the editor typically labels it as footer, so you know you're in the right place. Next, click directly on the footer section to select it. You should see a small toolbar or context menu appear near your selection. Look for the More Options icon, which appears as 3 dots. If you accidentally clicked the header at the top instead, don't worry. Just scroll back down and make sure you've highlighted the footer area at the bottom. The selection outline and label are your best indicators that you've got the correct section. Now click the 3-dot More icon to open the options for that section. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. The editor may ask you to confirm, especially if the footer is set to show on all pages. Confirm the action, and the footer will be removed from the design. If your site used a global footer, it will disappear wherever it was applied. If it was page-specific, it will only be removed from the current page. A few quick tips to make this smooth. If you remove the wrong element, use the undo command to bring it back instantly. Also, footers sometimes contain important legal or navigational content. If you plan to keep that information, consider moving those elements to another section before deleting the footer so you don't have to recreate them later. Finally, remember that removing the footer gives you extra vertical space. You can adjust the height of the last section above it to tighten up your layout and avoid a large empty gap at the bottom. That's it. Open the Wix Studio Editor, scroll to the bottom, select the footer, click the 3 dots, and delete. You now have a streamlined page without a footer and complete control over how